Cooking with Flavio!
We will make chocolate cornflake cookies. Okay, so this is a recipe. We will need some chocolate, and some butter, and some cupcakes, and some cornflakes. I'm going to cut them into cubes.
Maybe open it first?
Let's see.
If you use the knife the other way around, it's not going to work.
I don't know that. No, wait.
The flying butter.
Now what?
It's a big cube, don't you think?
Oh yeah, too big.
Too big?
Oh, not that type of too big. It's not too big. Yeah, into cubes.
Of course, otherwise it's going to go on the floor.
Into tiny cubes. The tiniest cube I ever saw. Tiny cube ever.
Oh! It's very small.
How about this?
It's good. It's good. You don't need so small. Maybe half of it?
Yeah. Ooh, Crystal, a lot of bad. The butter and the chocolate now.
We put first the butter.
Yeah. Go. Put the butter.
You close the door.
Close the door.
And press. Oh no, 2 times.
I'm going to mix the chocolate into the butter. And then mix it again. Let's see what happens. Very cool. Maybe happen. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Oh, very hot. Oh.
Check if it's hot.
Is good. Hot, 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 hot. The butter will melt. Spoon and stir. Oh, chocolate. Yikes. Chocolate butter? Quite funny, right? There's some chocolate left. Mama, should we melt some more? But does the chocolate haven't melted yet? Or yeah, it's just a soup.
A soup. Chocolate soup.
Yeah.
Do you want to eat some chocolate soup?
Yeah. With butter.
Yucky.
Sister.
Mm-hmm.
Do I have to?
See? Need to make sure all the chocolate is melted.
I'm thinking I put some chocolate in. Right?
Is it soup? You want to eat it?
Smells delicious. Open the cornflakes and put them in here. I meant here. Let's see what happens here.
No wool? Maybe you get your scissors?
What?
Your scissors to open?
Maybe we'll be a little bit wider. That's better. To top.
No, not all. Okay, okay. Woo.
That's the one I'll cut.
You want to taste one? And now, you know the fun bit? Now,
Chocolate in the cornflakes. Let's see. Hot, 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 hot. Too much, too much, too much, too much. Yeah. So much yummy chocolate. Yummy, 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 yeah. Yummy, 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 yummy.
now we stir.
Oh.
No.
Now we eat the chocolate. Immediately,
No.
you need to stir immediately because they will be soggy soon. Not enough chocolate. Not enough chocolate.
Do you need to be very fast?
I think so. No. To make some cornflakes into
You.
into these. That we are making into.
You think they're going to be yummy?
Yes. Hope because I'm singing. We made them. We need to go to the fridge quickly, otherwise they will be soggy.
Do you know how long they stay in the fridge for?
2 hours, I think.
Yeah, at least 2 hours.
Ooh,
Yummy.
and maybe I can put my head in there and lick it.
I don't think it's a good idea.
I'm doing it. Bing, 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 and ding. Next time, clumsy days.